Here's my first prototype of a printed in place roller chassis. It's based off my previous work of two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive cars designed for mini four-wheel drive tracks. And I thought maybe I can do a printed in place steering and then make this thing remote controlled. And there you go. So outside of the wheels that I printed separately, everything was printed in place like this. If I had a dual extruder printer, I'd try to print the TPU wheels on it as well, so it'd be a single print. No tools, cutting tools, screws, or glues were used in assembling this. I just basically released everything with my fingers, and you can see the gears work, the steering works, the front and the back turn. It was printed supportless at 0.2 millimeter height. There's micro supports that I designed in there, and I even have this hinge, which is a little delicate. I have to design a better one, frankly, but I did this thing really in a rush. So there you go. Let me grab the motor, put that in there. And as you can see, the gears are going to mesh. Get in there. This is the first time I put the motor in on this one. Usually there you go. Sort of. Oh, that's right. I'm an idiot. There you go. And then hopefully this will work without breaking. Okay, clearly unrehearsed. There you go, and you can see I have to move the pinion back a little, but the gears mesh just fine. It's a 3.5 gear ratio because it was based off, again, my previous work with mini four-wheel drive. And there you have it. Other than not having a diff gear and suspension, it's a fully functional printed in place rolling chassis waiting for electronics, which I'm going to be sourcing soon and making this work. Scale wise is obviously smaller than, you know, this is the Rock Racer's chassis design with a few of my own bits. Anyway, it's clearly smaller, but I finished the steering and just merged it with this file over here just to get it printed. But, you know, it can be scaled up. Anyway, it's just a proof of concept. Hope you enjoy it. I hope once I get it running and sharing on Thingiverse to see other people attempt this build. Thanks.